In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit responses to one per person in Google Forms. This is especially useful if you want to prevent duplicate submissions and ensure that each respondent can only submit the form once. To get started, open your Google form. Head over to Google Forms and select the form you want to manage so you can access the editor. Once you're inside the form, look at the top menu and click on Settings. You'll find this tab right next to Questions and Responses. This is where you control how your form collects responses. Inside the Settings panel, scroll down until you reach the Responses section. This area contains options related to how users can submit the form. Now, find the option labeled Limit to one response and toggle it on. Enabling this setting ensures that each person can only submit the form once. Keep in mind that turning this on requires respondents to sign in to their Google account. This is how Google Forms tracks and limits submissions per user. Once you've enabled the setting, you can close the Settings panel. Your changes will be saved automatically. Your form is now configured to allow only one submission per respondent, helping you keep your data clean and accurate.